how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram after posting. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and then on the bottom part here you will see your profile, right? Click on that. And I have this recent post that has a multiple photos. So let's say you want to delete one photo from that photo section. So what you're gonna do here, I actually have three, right? Now what you're gonna do is on the upper right of that post, you'll see three dots. Click on that and tap on edit. After clicking on that, all you have to do is to choose the photo that you want to delete. So let's just swipe through this. And let's say you want to delete this photo. So on the left side of that photo, upper left, you will see this mini or like small bin icon. You just have to click on that and tap on delete. And then basically you only have two left. And basically that's it. And that is how that one done here. And that is how you delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram after posting. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.